Y'all better quit that play fighting. Y'all better quit. Anna, that's your baby, which is really good that he's doing this, because usually it's Angel Kiss is doing this. Hey, y'all quit. Y'all quit. That's ugly. Jody, there's your Angel Kiss boy. Them two brothers, they do fuss. Christy, there's one of your tries. Lisa, there's your girl. She's so sweet. Bless her heart, having to have all these boys around her. Y'all are something else, you boys. Where's Blanket? Blanket's done took off in there playing with Bendy. See if I can get around and get around floor shot. Don't know if this is going to work because this camcorder does not do good in low light situations, but maybe. Hey Blanket, what you doing? He said playing. I'm playing, yes I am. He's a pretty boy. He said, I'm playing, I'm having a good time. Just digging in this little bed over here. He's so sweet. All of them are precious. Okay, they're in from the veranda. And we'll leave it on Blanket. Because he's a happy boy. Okay. What you doing, Blanket? He's the calmest one of the bunch. So right now, he's having a good time. Okay. Bye.